All right. I'm Sean Clancy, reading for Papa.
I'm Robert Coe, and I'm reading for Judith. No.
Yeah.
What about your daughter? What about Sharon, who won't even walk out of here with your name? What about her? Is she your treasure too?
Why do you make fun of me? Sharon is like no other. Your sister is a ruby in the palm of the Holy One.
My sister is money in the bank, Papa. She'll marry well and take care of you in your old age. She'll make some nice young man proud.
She already makes me proud. I'm proud of all my children, Judah. You fill my heart.
We fill your barns and your pens and your silos, Papa. Your children shear the sheep you count on sunny days.
This farm has fed our family for generations.
This farm has enslaved us.
This farm has kept us free from hunger.
This farm has buried us alive.
No. It's a blessing to see things come up, Judah, to smell life in the rain. It's a blessing to watch the corn grow tall, like my children.
You mean it's a blessing to have free workers? Yes, we're tall now. We aren't the children around your table like olive shoots at the foot of a tree. We aren't heads tucked in at night. We're raised up, Papa. Raised up and strong.